Hey everyone, check out these stunning CRAFTERIAN Foil Tarot Cards designed for both beginners and experts. This complete 78-card deck features a unique design with eye-catching gold foil elements. Each card is crafted from durable 300 GSM paper with glossy lamination for easy shuffling. You also get a helpful guidebook to help you explore past, present, and future insights. The smooth, rounded edges and beautiful pink finish make every reading feel truly special. Grab this amazing divination kit today to elevate your daily practice. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.